It's not often that your customers are excited about purchasing new tires, especially when it's a stressful or last-minute financial decision. But there is one group that generally gets excited about new tire purchases: UHP summer tire customers. These customers get excited because they're enthusiasts, so their motivations rely solely on improving their favorite summer ride, a purchase they have likely been planning for weeks or months ahead of time in anticipation. Before selling these tires to this segment of customers, you should be prepared to serve someone a little bit more experienced. Let's talk about UHP summer tire demands and technology to get you up to speed on what customers in this segment may be looking for. Performance vehicles that use UHP summer tires and their drivers have a particularly demanding set of expectations when it comes to their vehicle and the tires. Unlike all-season, all-weather, or all-terrain tires that focus on ride comfort, light snow capability, or tread life, UHP summer tires are specialized and mostly expected to handle well in dry and wet conditions. For performance-minded customers, the ability to feel the handling, reaction to steering input, and braking are important. When enthusiasts use the tire in maximum performance environments, they will likely be aware of the tire's performance when they are cold. They want a tire that performs close to its maximum immediately, despite how long the vehicle has been sitting. Additionally, they want a tire that performs similarly as the tire experiences extreme heat. Basically, they want a tire that will perform despite conditions. Like all tire segments, behind the attributes of UHP summer tire performance is the technology it was made from. One design feature manufacturers focus on is an optimized contact patch, created using computer-aided engineering while considering the loading characteristics needed for a performance tire. One of the most sought-after performance characteristics of a UHP summer tire is lateral and longitudinal grip in dry and wet conditions. When manufacturers use high silica compounds matched with circumferential grooves, it helps to create a well-balanced, high-grip UHP summer tire. Other important performance characteristics of UHP summer tires include advanced rubber compounds, ultra-high-strength belt construction, and high-rigidity closed-shoulder design for better cornering grip and steering response. These attributes not only maintain a UHP summer tire's functionality, but also its ability to provide outstanding performance for dry and wet roads. For manufacturers, that means finding the ideal balance of ride comfort, tread mileage, and dry performance is a consistent challenge. A UHP summer tire's internal structure is just as important as the tread outside to ensure the tire survives high-speed driving. UHP summer tires require specific components in their structure to function effectively, such as ensuring the main body and outer are constructed from materials that offer rigidity, heat resistance, and durability at high speeds. A well-designed ultra-high performance summer tire incorporates these features while maintaining reliable traction and handling on the road. It's important to stay up to date with the features and attributes that make up a UHP summer tire, so you know how to sell them to enthusiast customers. Remember, they are likely excited about their tire purchase, so share that enthusiasm and know your stuff. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.